Welcome to My Maths. Today we discuss about triangles, types of triangles and their properties. Triangle. What is a triangle? A triangle is a simple closed figure formed with three line segments. Observe triangle ABC. Vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Three vertices. And AB, BC and AC. Three sides. So three line segments closed at corners. It's a closed figure. It is called triangle ABC with vertices A, B and C. Three sides AB, AC, BC. So a triangle is a simple closed figure formed with three line segments. ABC are vertices, AB, BC, AC are sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C are angles of triangle. So, by measuring the lengths of sides, by measuring the angles, triangles can be classified into 6 types. So, let us discuss about types of triangles. There are basically 6 different types of triangles with respect to the length of sides and measure of angles of a triangle. Types of triangles based on sides. According to the lengths of their sides, triangles can be classified into 3 types, which are scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. The first one is scalene triangle. If none of the 3 sides of a triangle are equal to each other, it is called a scalene triangle. Observe the triangle. Here 3 sides. They are different sizes. A, B, and C. 3 vertices. The lengths are different. So, if the 3 sides are of different lengths, they are not equal in measure, then this triangle is called scalene triangle. Now, observe the properties of scalene triangle. It has no equal sides. It has no equal angles. It has no line of symmetry. It has no point symmetry. The second one is isosceles triangle. If 2 sides of triangle are equal, then it is called an isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle. The marked 2 sides are equal sides. The third side is called its base. So now what are the properties of isosceles triangle? 2 sides are equal. Corresponding angles opposite to these sides are also equal. That is, base angles are equal. The perpendicular drawn to the third side from the corresponding vertex will bisect the third side. It has one line of symmetry. The next one is equilateral triangle. If all the 3 sides of triangle are equal, then it is called an equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle. It is, say, A, B, C, 3 vertices. The side AB, BC and AC, the 3 sides are of equal length. So this is called an equilateral triangle. What are the properties of equilateral triangle? The properties of equilateral triangle are: it has three equal sides, it has three equal angles, each angle is 60 degrees, it has three lines of symmetry, it has point symmetry. So the properties are: the three sides are equal in length and the three angles are equal. So by angle sum property, sum of the angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So the three angles are equal, hence each angle is 60 degrees. The next one is types of triangles based on angles. Now we discuss about the angles. What are the angles? Zero angle, right angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. These are the different types of angles. Of this, we learned about the main three types of angles for this lesson. Triangles can be classified into three types with respect to their interior angles, which are acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. Let us discuss about these three angles. What is an acute angle? Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degrees. The angle is like this. Acute angle. What is right angle? Right angle is 90 degrees exactly. Right angle looks like this. This is right angle. And obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? The angle is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angle. Okay. So acute angle is less than 90. Right angle is exactly 90. Obtuse angle is greater than 90. If a triangle has all three angles are acute angles, then this triangle is called acute angle triangle. This is acute angle triangle. All the three angles are less than 90 degrees. So an acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the interior angles are acute angles. Acute angle triangle properties. The important properties of an acute angle triangle are as follows. The interior angles of the triangle are always less than 90 degrees with different side measures. In an acute triangle, the line drawn from the base of the triangle to the opposite vertex is always perpendicular. Also, the equilateral triangle is an acute angle triangle because each angle is 60 degrees. So it is an acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Here, one angle is greater than 90, the other two angles are less than 90. So a triangle whose any one of the angles is an obtuse angle or more than 90 degrees, then it is called obtuse angle triangle or obtuse triangle. Properties. The sum of the two angles other than the obtuse angle is less than 90 degrees. Because one angle is obtuse angle means it is greater than 90. Angle sum property says that sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So the sum of other two angles in obtuse angle triangle must be less than 90 degrees. The side opposite to the obtuse angle is the longest side of the triangle. An obtuse triangle will have one and only one obtuse angle. The other two angles are acute angles. Right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. At B, we observe the right angle, that is the 90 degrees of angle. And A and C are acute angles. When the angle between a pair of sides is equal to 90 degrees, it is called right angle triangle. So observe right angle. Right angle triangle properties. One angle is always 90 degrees or right angle. The side opposite angle 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side. The sum of the other two interior angles is equal to 90 degrees. The other two sides adjacent to the right angles are called base and perpendicular. The sides are base, height and hypotenuse. Again observe the right angle triangle. Here is 90 degrees of angle. The other two angles are acute angles. The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. And this side is the height of the right angle triangle and this is the base of the right angle triangle. This hypotenuse is longest side. These two are short sides. The pair of sides which formed the right angle, these two are called height and base. So right angle triangle properties, one angle is 90 degrees. Opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side. The sum of other two interior angles is equal to 90 degrees. The other two sides of adjacent to the right angle are called base and perpendicular. So we say that the sides are base, height and hypotenuse. So what we have discussed today? We learned about triangles, and triangles are classified by side and by angle. By side, equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides, isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides, scalene triangle has no equal sides. And by angle, acute triangle. In acute triangle, each angle is less than 90 degrees. In right angle triangle, one angle is right angle, other two interior angles are acute angles. In obtuse triangle, it has one angle greater than 90 degrees. The remaining two are acute angles. So, we have discussed about types of triangles. Equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. Scalene triangle, they have 3 different angles and 3 different sizes. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. These are the types of triangles we have learned today. Types of triangles. Triangle. It is a triangle made with 3 line segments. It is a closed figure. It is a polygon of 3 sides. It is classified into 2 types, based on sides, based on angles. Based on sides, 3 types of triangles: equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. Here are some examples. Equilateral triangle has 3 centimeters of side. 3 sides are 3 centimeters. Isosceles triangle, 2 sides are 3 centimeters and the base is 5 centimeters. In scalene triangles, 3 sides are different: 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Based on angles, triangles are acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, the 3 angles are less than 90 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees and 17 degrees. In this example of right angle triangle, the angles are 90 degrees, 60 degrees and 30 degrees. In obtuse angle triangle, the 3 different angles are here. It is scalene triangle also. One angle is 110 and the other 2 angles are 30 and 40. So you have understood well about triangles. Now I will give you a worksheet. Observe the worksheet and classify triangles according to their sides and angles. Thank you.